So yun guys, good morning, good evening sir, good evening classmate. I'm Christopher Nicolas from 4A15. I'm Nicolas Christopher for 4A15. I discuss to my video in 5 introduce the Bucor. What is and where does it belong in the Philippines criminal justice system? The Bureau of Correction, or better known as Bucor, is a government agency that takes care of people who have been in prison or detained for more than 3 years and considered part of the criminal justice system of the Philippines. The DOJ will be the charge it with already assist in to administration of justice along with the police courts and prosecution. And the two role of mandate, what custody and rehabilitation and national rehabilitation of national inmates. The main of mandate Bucor is the imprisonment, custody, and rehabilitation of our so-called person deprived of liberty. Kumbaga sila yung mga taong nagkasala na hatulan ng korte at pinagbabayaran ng kanilang asistensya batay sa nakasaad sa ating batas na Republic Act No. 10575 or Bureau of Correction Act of 2013. Yon, to provide for the protection of their rights and program that can help them change their lives in use it to prevent them returning to their former jobs they were in prison. And the Bucor has 3 main ends. Custody, this is the security of PDL so that he can eat well. And the third function, responsibility. Reformation. Here again, this is where you implement a program based on the habits and lifestyle of each person. Kumbaga, ito na yung mga tatlong livelihood program sa Bucor. Kumbaga, ito yung tatlong hanap buhay o dapat pagkaabalahan nila. Kumbaga, ito yung mabibuild nila sa kulungan. Ito yung bubuuin nila na para makapagpabago sa buhay nila. Ito yung ginagawa nila upang for me para malibang sila, ganun. Habang nalilibang pa sila, nakakatulong pa sa kanila to upang mahubog yung sarili nila gawa ng paglabas nila at sa panibagong buhay nila tinatahak sa paglabas nila sa ating lipunan. Magagamit nila ito upang maging hanap buhay, upang mabago ang buhay nila, upang hindi na nila balikan yung dating sila. Kung nagkasalaman sila, may pagkakataon silang magbago. Ito na yon. Ito yung reformation. Here again, this is where you implement program based on the habits of lifestyle of each person. Situation support is where they live because they can return their society in the community. Kumbaga, syempre, babalik sila doon. Ito yung gagamitin nilang buhay. Livelihood training program. Here again is the program. They will be learn how to make different products and good things about defending on what is more special in their area. Kumbaga, dito, gumagawa sila ng mga produkto. Kung ano yung mas tampok sa lugar nila. Kunyari, yung kulungan nila sa Bucor, sa Rizal. Kung ano yung mga pangunahing bentahin doon, pangunahing pagkakataan. Yun yung mga ginagawa nila. Here they can live a happy life and they learn anything inside the country. Kumbaga, syempre, habang ginagawa nila, syempre, masaya sila, nalilibang sila. Ito naman yung education program. Every PDL can learn from basic education. Dito, katulong din dito yung education, baga hanggang kolehiyo, makapag-aral sila, matutulungan sila ng NGO. Ito naman yung spiritual formation program. One of the most important aspect of PDL is growth. Kumbaga, syempre, dito mahuhubog yung spiritual nila. Dito yung malilibang din sila dito. Kumbaga, malalaman nila ang buhay pala is hindi pala dapat minamadali. Hindi pala dapat ganito kasi ganyan. Dito malaman nila na dapat may kinakatakutan tayo, hindi tao kundi ang ating Diyos. Dito makakasalamuha sila ng iba't ibang PDL na masaksihan kung ano yung mga pinagdadaan nila sa buhay. Baga dito yung makakatagpo sila ng isang tao na magtuturo sa kanila sa tamang daan. Ito yung makakapagbasa sila ng mga Bible. Yon. And the Bucor in our country is important because she share wide range of humanity before a person gets married in the righteousness of the righteousness and the right of the righteousness. Here they recognize your childhood and their lives, and here they recognize in the most important part of your rehabilitation restorative. Kumbaga dito sa Bucor ng country, important dito, mahalaga dito kasi binigyan tayo ng, kumbaga dito sa information na to, dito binibigyan tayo ng isa pang pagkakataon para baguhin natin yung sarili natin. Di ba? Napakalagang bagay ng rehabilitation na to kasi nga dito bibigay sa atin ng Bucor ring isang pagkakataon upang magbago tayo. Nagkasalaman tayo. Meron pa tayong isang pagkakataon para baguhin yung buhay natin. Itama para sa pamilya natin, para sa atin. Napakahalaga na ito para sa mga PDL na nagkasala na hindi naman nila sinasadya o hindi gustuhin man nila o ginusto nila. Nandito yung rehabilitation na tinatawag of Bucor of correction para makatulong sa kanila sa pagbabago nila ng buhay. Hindi sila kinukulong, bagkus tinuturuan lang sila at nilalagay sila sa tamang landas. Ilang po at maraming salamat.